dear students. From this video I am going to teach you about something more on fractions. Here, when we consider about these fraction problems, first of all you must consider about the order of operations. Normally, order of operations, you know, BODMAS, right? BODMAS means B O D M A S. Brackets denote, here B denotes brackets, right? Here O mean of, G mean division, and M multiplication, A addition, S subtraction. You know, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction are the main operations in mathematics, right? In here, in addition, you have brackets and off when we use complex fraction problems or else complex equations. Here, you have something formula consider related, that means those problems related to fractions, right? Here, you have 4 over 7 minus 1 over 4. Altogether, you have a bracket and division, and you have a single number 3. Then, first, according to the order of operations here, from the beginning to the end, you want to get the order. Then first we must solve the brackets. That means we want to solve inside brackets. Then here, you already know that. Here we want to get the LCM 4 and 7. That means 28, 4 into 7. For 28, there are 4 sevens. Then 4 into 4 minus, there are 7 fours for 28, then 7 into 1, close the bracket, then divide by 3. When you consider about the number, in the denominator you have 1, then you can obtain 4 into 4, 16, minus 7 into 1, 7 over 28, then divide by 3 over 1. Then you can solve this problem, right? 16 minus 7, then you can obtain 9 over 28. Division, you can convert a division into a multiplication by getting the reciprocal of this number. You know that when we get the reciprocal, we want to interchange the denominator and the numerator. Then here, you can obtain 1 over 3. You know, dear students, we can cut 3 into 3, here 3 into 1. Then you can obtain, you know that when we consider about these types of problems, you want to put the equal mark. Then you can solve and get the answer 3 over 28. Is 28 not a multiple of 3? Then the answer we can keep it as a proper fraction. Then before moving to the second question, I am moving to the 11th question. That means last two questions. Then here 5 over 6, 3 over 8 divided by again 5 over 6. You know, dear students, here according to the BODMAS, the first step is the division. Then here, when converting this division into multiplication, the not the preceding term, the after fraction, you want to get the reciprocal fraction mark. Then here 5 over 6 multiplied by 3 over 8 multiplied by 6 over 5. Then you can multiply, that means you can cut the same things, 5 into 1, 5 into 1, 6 into 1, 6 into 1. Then you can obtain and get the answer 1 into 3, 3, 3 into 1, 3, 1 into 8, 8, 8 into 1, 8. Right? Like that way you can obtain. Here you have a multiplication and an addition. Here you can solve the multiplication first, after that you can solve the addition part. Equal 1 over 5 plus 4 over 5 into 3 over 4. here you can see that clearly you can cut 4 into 1, 4 into 1. Then you can get an answer 1 over 5 plus 1 into 3, 3, 5 into 1, 5. Then the common denominator is 5. Then you can obtain here 5, 1 plus 3, 4 over 5 as the answer. Then when we consider about the second question, here there are two mixed numbers inside the brackets. Then if you have a mixed number, the first step is to convert that mixed number into an improper fraction. You know that, dear students, fractions can be divided into two parts as proper fractions and improper fractions. Proper fractions, mainly proper fractions can be converted into, that means kind of a proper fraction is unit fraction, and when we consider about improper fractions can be converted into mixed numbers already. Mixed numbers can be converted into improper fractions. Then here equal mark. Then here 2 into 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, plus 5 is the common denominator. 5 into 1, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, multiplied by 13 is the common denominator. 13 into 1, 13, 13 plus 2, 15. Then you can say that first multiply and after that you can add. Then here you can cut the multiples, 5 into 1, 5 into 3, only that. Then here 5 over 2 plus 7 into 3, 21, 1 into 13, 30. Here LCM is already 2 into 13, that means 26. Then you can say that for 26 there are 13 2's, 13 into 5 plus 2 into 21. Then you can obtain 26 is the common denominator. 13 into 5, 5 into 3, 15, 1 is remaining, 5 into 1, 5 plus 1, 65 plus here 42. Then you can obtain 107 divided by 26, right? Then here it is not divisible by 3 and also not divisible by 4 also. Then here you can keep it as a mixed number. You can tell that 4, 3 over 26. Like that way you can solve. Then you have the third question. Here third question equal mark 58 divide by. Then here first step is to convert it into an improper fraction. 5 into 4, 20, 21 over 5 minus 1 over 3. Then here 58 over 1 divide by, right? 5 into 3, 15. 3 into 20, 1 minus 15, there are 5. 5 into 1, you can obtain 58 over 1 divide by, here 3 into 1, 3, 3 into 6 minus 5 over 15, right? Then you can obtain an answer 58 over 1 multiplied by, 15 over, here you can get 58 already. Then is 58 into 1, you can get the answer 15 over 1, 15 as the answer. Then when you consider about the fourth question, right? Here move 1 over 4, you can get 3 into 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7 multiplied by 2 over 7. You know that when we consider about normal questions that are coming to the GCE ordinary level, normally they are simplifying, right? If you have any difficulty orders, you got and not understanding about the question, then there must be a problem in your simplification, right? Check the answer again or else the steps again, then you can solve and get an answer very easily and very quickly. Then dear students, here 1 over 4 plus here already this 7 into 7 cancels, 1, 3. 2 over 3. Then 12 is the common denominator. Then here 3 into 1 plus, for 12 there are 4. Just 4 into 2. 3 into 1, 3 plus 4 into 8 over 12. Right? 3 plus 8, you can obtain 11 over 12 as the answer. Then here 5. You know, dear students, right? We can solve this question very easily when considering the improper fractions. Here 3 into 3, 9, 9 plus 1, 10 minus 1 over 2, right? Multiplied by 17, 17 into 1, 17 plus 1, 18, right? Here 6, there are 2 into 10 minus 3 into 1. Then you can obtain 18 over 17, right? 20 minus 3 over 6 into 18 over 17. You know that this 17 and this numerator is solved. You can easily see, right? Here 17 over 6 multiplied by 18 over 17. You can obtain 17 into 1, 17 into 1, 6 into 1, 6 into 3, 3 over 1. The answer is already 3. You can get very easily and very quickly by solving the questions. Then here, to differentiate these questions, I am starting the 9th question. Here, you can solve this question 3 over 7 plus 2, 2 into 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, divided by 4 over 5 multiplied by 5 over 6. Then you can solve this question very easily. Then here, first step is to do the division. Then we will get the reciprocal 3 over 7 plus 3 over 2 multiplied by 5 over 4. Right? Then here, multiplied by 5 over 6. Then there are 2 multiplications. Then you can solve these 3 together, right? Then here you can cut 6 into 2, 6 into 1. No any 2's, right? Only this solving you can do. Then here 3 over 7 plus 1 into 5, 5, 5 into 5, 20, 5, 2 into 4, 8, 8 into 2, 16. You have to take the common denominator. Yes, 7 into 16. We'll check the steps again. 3 over 7 we got. Here 2 into 1, yes, 3 over 2 divided by 4 over 5, then 5 over 6. Then here 3 over 7 you got. Then you get the reciprocal of this one as 5 over 4. Then you solve these 3 and 6 together and got an answer. Already you have to take the 16 into 7. Here 48 plus 175 over 112, 223 over 112, 111 over 112. You can get an answer. Then here 10th question you can get here equal, right? 2 into 4, 8, 8 plus 1, 9 minus 3, 3 into 3, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. Here multiplied by 7, 7 into 2, 14, 14 plus 4, 18. You can get an answer. Then here 6, 2 into 3, 6. Here 3 into 9 minus 2 into 10 multiplied by 18 over 7. Then you can obtain, right? Then already you can get 3 into 9, 27. Here 20. Then here 6. You can see that already this is solving, right? Then here 18 over 7, right? Then here 7 over 6 multiplied by 18 over 7. There are cutting 6 into 1, 6 into 3, 7 into 1, 7 into 1. Here you can obtain 3 as the answer. Shall we solve the 8th question? Then there are only 2 questions to be solved. In here, 1 minus, here you have multiplication, you want to solve that first. Inside brackets 2 over 5 plus here 3 into 1, 3 into 1, 1 into 2, 5 into 5, 5. The common denominator is 5. 2 plus 2, 4. Then here 5 is the common denominator. 5 minus 4, 1 over 5. You can get the answer very easily. Then already we have solved 10 questions. The 6th question, right? Then here, yes, 5 into 2, 10. Here 2 into 4, 8. 5 into 1, 5. You can obtain multiplied by 3 into 3, 9 plus 1, 10. Then here 8 minus 5, 3 over 10 multiplied by 10 over 3. Already you can get that 3 into 1, 3 into 1, 10 into 1, 10 into 1. Right? The direct answer is 1 over 1 meter. 1 is the answer. Then here you can obtain 10. Then here 2 plus 5. Here 7, 7 into 14 plus 1, 15. Right? 7 over 10 multiplied by 15 over 7. You can solve very easily. Then here 7 into 1, 7 into 1, 10 into 2. Here 5 into 2, 5 into 3. 3 over 2. You know, dear students, this is an improper fraction. We can convert it into a mixed number and keep in the answer. Then here 2 into 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 1, 1 over 2 is the answer. Like that way, you can solve these questions, right? I want to specify the saying of the day. Saying of the day is, we want to face the mutability of the life, right? Like that way, you want to consider about the life and this mathematics for life. I think that you got a clear understanding about these fractions, how these fractions are solved, how the fractions are solved according to the order of operations, BODMAS. Like that way, you want to express these fractions and get an answer. Then you can subscribe our YouTube channel, and by clicking the bell icon, you can get the updated notifications throughout our channel. Thank you very much. We'll meet from another video. From the description, you can get the previous videos of fractions and any other lessons. Then see you. Goodbye.